आज जहाँ पे सब फाइट कर रहे हैं एयर पोल्यूशन एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज से लड़ने के लिए, आज का एपिसोड बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज टुडे वी हैव योर मानसी शाह, जिनको हम बोल सकते हैं डॉक्टर ऑफ प्लांट्स फ्रॉम प्लांट्स डेकोरा. शी इज स्पेशलाइज्ड इन होम गार्डनिंग एंड ऑफिस गार्डनिंग, अ हॉर्टिकल्चरिस्ट जो आज हमारे साथ है. She has wonderful years of experience कैसे plants को we can maintain and how each and every individual with the help of our experience can fight with climate change. ये एपिसोड खत्म होने तक आप हमें थैंक यू जरूर बोलेंगे, सो डू वॉच दिस एपिसोड टिल द लास्ट. सो दिस इज फाइनली दैट 100+ प्लांट्स का एक पार्ट ऑफ द सेटअप जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, बट डेफिनेटली इसको मेंटेन करने में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आते होंगे, ये या किसी भी प्लांट को मेंटेन करने में. कैसे करते हो आप, क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं एट एन इनिशियल बेसिस? अगर हम
देयर आर प्रॉब्लम्स, कुछ ना कुछ होते हैं, कभी बर्ड्स, कभी माउस, कभी स्क्विरल, उससे डैमेज होता है. तो यू हैव टू नेट इट अराउंड, द नेट कैन बी केप्ट अराउंड द प्लांट समटाइम्स. और मेन तो वाटरिंग है, लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, वो आपको समझना है आपके पर्टिकुलर प्लांट के लिए. प्रॉपर सॉइल मिक्स चाहिए. 4 थिंग्स है जिसपे प्लांट को फोकस करके वो पता हो तो वो ग्रो करने में बहुत आसानी रहती है. Right amount of sunlight, proper soil mix, watering, proper appropriate watering, and fertilizing and pesticide. तो रेगुलरली ये 3 चीज़ों का ध्यान रख लिया और 4th थिंग फर्टिलाइजर जो रेगुलरली दिया तो ज़्यादातर डैमेज नहीं होते हैं प्लांट्स. और क्लाइमेट से भी वो रेजिस्टेंस उनका डेवलप हो जाता है. पेस्ट अटैक से भी वो रेजिस्टेंस होता है. इम्यूनिटी ओवरऑल इम्प्रूव.
बेसिक चीजें अगर ध्यान रखनी तो फिर उतना कुछ मेजर इशू नहीं. दिस आई सॉ, हम बात कर रहे हैं ये बात, इज इट टच मी नॉट प्लांट?
इट इज अ टच मी नॉट प्लांट. A garden has to be such कि आपके सारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स को कुछ ना कुछ उसमें से मिले. तो टेस्ट है अपने पास, फ्लावर्स है कलरफुल, तो वी कैन हैव गुड कलरफुल फॉर आवर आई साइट. दिस इज टच दैट वी कैन एक्सपीरियंस इन द गार्डन. We eat it, so that way also we consume herbs, fruits, flowers. फिर अपने गार्डन अच्छा है तो we find birds, bees, butterflies humming around. That is for our ears. So that way it is a complete experience.
So मैम सेटअप देखा, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल और आपने जैसे मेंटेन किया, बट यू हैव बीन डूइंग सिंस इयर्स. तो पहले लेट्स स्टार्ट विद कि ये कैसे, क्या आपको इंस्पायर किया ये सब स्टार्ट करने के लिए? हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट विद दिस?
Yeah, so when I was approx your age in my college days, I was lucky to have parents who gave me exposure to lot many things. Gardening was one of those things. There was this small workshop happening around our place. It was about the art of bonsai. And that is where when I got exposed to this world of this plant kingdom altogether. And it was like a calling for me. And gradually I experimented, learned few things from those workshops there, and I experimented with new plants, planters, and started growing big shrubs also in pots. Since I learned that even trees can fit in small pots, I came to know कि ये बड़े-बड़े plants जो भी है fruits के, vegetables के, वो भी शायद grow हो सकते हैं. But I experimented and gradually I learned, I got a hands-on doing that. और फिर शादी के बाद I was lucky to have the family here also who was encouraging. They persuaded me to take up this gardening course from Mumbai University.
Okay.
And I learned some more theory and practical knowledge also I got from there. And it validated things that I had been trying and fine-tuning it.
So all together it came
as this. The result is what, the output is what you can see now. So it was support from all the elders and family members. And so in today's time also I'm sure अभी इतना awareness बढ़ गया है parents में, तो kids को और भी ये सब चीज़ों के लिए exposure देना ज़रूरी है. And in our city lives where so much stress, tension, concrete, we are in between the concrete jungle. So this is our connect to nature right from our homes. And ये stress buster भी बोल सकते हैं. Entertainment away from screen time you spend away from screen time, that is. And who knows, it can be a full-fledged career also in horticulture, agriculture, floriculture, all those things have full-fledged industry marketplace, so kids can study that. Even food processing, But this is also even a part of food nutrition also can be a section you can derive from this career. So these things can be taken up as full-fledged course also later in their lives.
वी स्पोक अबाउट बीच में मुंबई की बात की, बट हम देखते हैं मुंबई में जनरली स्पेसेस घर होते इतने बड़े नहीं होते कि हम ऐसा एक एक प्रॉपर गार्डन टाइप सेटअप कर सकें। तो स्पेशली मुंबई के घर के एरिया को कंसिडर करते हैं, हाउ डू वी सेटअप होम गार्डनिंग जहाँ पे हम हमारे स्पेस को भी कन्वीनियंट है प्लस वो एक एस्थेटिक अपील भी देता है।
Yes, very true. That is a challenge. Like I said earlier also, कि जगह कम है फॉर श्योर, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे पास एक विंडो है या फिर ग्रिल है, या
Correct.
किसी के पास लकी फ्यू के पास कुछ बालकनी स्पेस है, या तो लेकिन जो हम छोटे छोटे पॉट्स में भी प्लांट्स ग्रो कर सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि वी नीड फार्म एंड लैंड एंड टू कल्टीवेट आवर, this can be taken up as a hobby, one small section. Even inside the homes also, air purifying plants, they survive inside the home premises as well.
Right.
So center table पे रखा, corner पे रखा,
ऑफिस डेस्क पे भी,
office
that
desk
is
पे,
great,
yes,
हाँ।
very true. And even window में 3 या 4 plants रखो, एक दो flowering है, 2-3 herbs है, 1 or 2 hanging plants. Make a green corner there, only one window dedicated for plants. You will find good time you spend there in the day, and that doesn't require too much space also.
तो अभी बहुत सारे ऑडियंस और व्यूअर्स जिन्होंने देखा उनको भी एक थॉट आएगा कि ट्राई कर सकते हैं, तो फॉर देम व्हाट कैन बी द फर्स्ट स्टेप, वो कैसे स्टार्ट करें, क्या टाइप ऑफ प्लांट्स दे शुड ब्रिंगिंग, एंड इफ वी also see at the economic aspect, तो क्या budgetary से, because not every time we need too much of budget to start with something.
Very true.
What economically हम start कर सकते हैं, then अगर हमको लगता है no this is something that can go very good, हम लोग उसको बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, then we take it further.
Yes, so there are native plants here that they grow in western side of India. तुलसी plant everybody knows,
Yes.
holy basil, that is, वो उसका medicinal values भी है, religious importance
Yes.
भी है. तो start with तुलसी, एलोवेरा, अजवा, हिबिस्कस फ्लावरिंग प्लांट, या फिर हैंगिंग प्लांट में है मनी प्लांट, इट कैन सर्वाइव इनसाइड आउट, इवन इन बाथरूम्स, इवन इन किचन कॉरिडोर्स, कहीं पे भी ये दीज प्लांट्स आर वेरी इजी टू ग्रो एंड इजी टू मेंटेन प्लांट्स. और लोकल नर्सरीज में से मिलते हैं, पिक अप हेल्दी प्लांट्स फ्रॉम देयर. ऑन लो बजट यू कैन स्टार्ट अप योर ओन स्मॉल गार्डन दैट वे.
ओके, ग्रेट. तो इट्स अ गुड वे टू स्टार्ट. एक इनिशियल एक पुश के लिए एक अच्छा है कि हम लोग जनरली तुलसी तो ऑलमोस्ट बहुत सारे लोगों के घर पे रहते ही, बिकॉज एज यू सेड रिलीजियस ऑल्सो, उसके इतने सारे बेनिफिट्स है. बट हमने बीच में बात करी मुंबई की, अगेन कमिंग टू दैट पॉइंट. मुंबई में अभी हमने देखा था बीच में, अभी आते हम थोड़ा वो एरिया में जहाँ पे प्लांट्स के लाइफ की बात होगी. मुंबई में बीच में एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स बहुत वर्स्ट लेवल पे था, एंड अभी क्लाइमेट चेंज भी बहुत स्विफ्टली हो रहा है. हम देख रहे हैं विंटर में रेन्स हो रहे हैं, तो ऐसे में प्लांट्स कैसे सर्वाइव करते, कैसे अडेप्ट करते, बिकॉज अगेन इट्स नेचर वर्सेस नेचर.
Yes, so plants are, they are very much adaptable beings, and they are also very sensitive to the surrounding. So they will stop their growing processes if they sense something unfriendly, and they won't die all of a sudden. They will figure out things that can make them survive and grow through that, grow better also sometimes in that kind of condition. And also in potted plants, what we are talking about is Mumbai, right? And we grow plants in pots here. We don't have land here.
Right.
So as being a plant parent, what you can do is regulate the watering. If the plant is getting natural water, also maybe in winters, like during rain, some rain showers during winter, stop watering for a day or two. But then don't stress it with more water or choke it with more water. When the sun is up, again the plant will start its transpiration, respiration, oxygen, carbon dioxide exchange, and it will require more water. You will come to know when you touch the soil, and that way you give the required amount of water later. So that is your part, that you can support the plant. Otherwise, plants do not die all of a sudden. They never die of heart attack, and they show signs that yes, I am in distress.
Okay.
Yeah, and
So
you
what
have to
kind
pick
of
that up.
signs they show them?
The leaves, the new growth of leaves are always like a parameter. When you see new leaves coming up, the plant is healthy, happy. It is sure to have flowers if it is a flowering plant, and vegetable plant, it is sure to have fruits. So a plant should keep growing new leaves.
Okay.
And that way you come to know whether the roots are healthy or not. Yeah.
I've heard of some device कि जो हम उसको अगर soil में insert करते थे, tell you the
Yeah.
mood of the, and that was kind of very surprising to me because how can a technology again वो फिर वो nature और मतलब
Right.
everywhere we want technology.
Yeah.
तो वो क्या है मतलब वो basically that you insert that device into the soil and they tell you the mood of the plant. Is it real something?
Well, actually, mood is just the symbolic picturization of the watering requirement of the plant. For a home plant, watering is of pivotal role. So the device that you mentioned, I have also seen some reels on that, and it shows a sad face and a smiley face when you insert it in the soil. That shows that the soil is very dry. Not actually that the plant is feeling low or sad, but that it needs some care. It
Right.
shows that it needs some attention. That's all.
Okay.
So you have to have some knowledge before using the gadgets.
Right. We spoke about कि हमें खुद को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. We ourselves are very excited ये maintain करने में. But firstly again, ये पूरा मेंटेन आपने किया. डेफिनेटली हर किसी के मुंबई के घर में ये करना पॉसिबल नहीं है.
Yeah.
कैसा प्रोसेस है पूरे मेंटेन करना है? Because हम
Well,
देखते हैं,
yeah.
पीछे भी यहाँ पे आपके पास प्लान्स है. आपने बालकनी में घर में बहुत अच्छे से इसको मेंटेन किया. हाउ इट इज डन?
Yeah, so this one is that I built it up gradually, of course, as and when I got experience hands-on on this. For a beginner, only 5 plants, 7 plants is good to start.
Okay.
Right now, I have more than 100 plants in my home. It is more like a balcony garden than my residence. Yeah, but then I maintain it all on my own. I don't hire a mali for this.
Okay.
And if I say that, you won't believe, Prutha, but if I say this maintenance of these 100 plants hardly requires 15 minutes, and that too only once in a fortnight. Watering I have to do every day. That takes 15 minutes of my time. Other than watering, it only takes very less time in a fortnight to maintain. And since I have done courses, I was doing I was using chemicals for fertilizer and pesticide earlier. But past 7-8 years, I have stopped using that, and I came to know that organic gardening is far more easier and far more rewarding. Healthier as well. So we have in-house we make fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, and I give it to other plant parents also. And that has got the dual advantage. Firstly, it is chemical free totally. The ingredients I use is cow-based products. Okay. And secondly, it doesn't require the tilling and tossing of soil that a plant parent has. It becomes very messy and a long, lengthy process.
Consume time.
Every week or every 10 days, I hear people saying, Sunday to mera yahi kaam hai, and I take all my plants and dig it. And that is all not required because when you add this liquid fertilizer, it spreads in the soil on its own. The microbial activity does all the work that you do naturally. How things happen in the fields, in the forest, that way we try to replicate it in our garden. Okay. Because it is a natural process, you are replicating it, become easy and also friendly for the plant as well.
So I think this is a process जो specifically urban cities में बहुत important है because हर जगह हम buildings देख रहे हैं और अभी जो already जो forest और trees थे वो cut down हो रहे हैं. We are speaking very loudly about save climate and save nature, but again we are the one who are doing the against part. तो इस केस में how can home gardening help? क्योंकि इतना pollution है everywhere we see climate change. Again, it's all the result of the हम जो भी actions कर रहे हैं. So in this case, how can home gardening help? कि एक small step of every individual to fight against. Yeah, see, one thing we can go for home composting. That way we reduce the waste that we throw out. One is that, and it is very easy that too. We take it up, all these topics we take in our workshops, and believe me, I have been practicing it, and I only show people things which are easy to do because I do it. I know how much time it requires, how much time one has for this. Absolutely, yes. Another thing is that you can have your small balcony garden, or inside also you can have some air purifying plants in your inside your home. That is plants which grow naturally in shade
grow well inside your homes as well. So pick
Okay.
up those plants. Those are labeled as air purifiers. All plants are air purifiers per se because they give oxygen
Yes.
during the day. But since these plants can survive indoor
Inside,
spaces,
yes.
yeah, so they are called air purifying indoor plants.
Okay.
And also these days I see a few builders also making lawns and terraces on the rooftops.
Yes.
That way we can reduce the greenhouse effect. And maybe those buildings who do not have terrace gardens, the society can see there are problems to it.
Yes.
But I'm sure there are solutions also. The challenges are there, leakage problem. But if the society cooperates, takes some steps, a small patch can become green on the terrace. Each society can have green balcony or green terrace, rooftop terraces. Yeah.
ये कॉन्सेप्ट भी हमने देखा है जहाँ पे हम कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग्स में देखते हैं, ऑफिसेज में, तो दे हैव ऑन एवरी फ्लोर दे हैव दिस ग्रीन कलर का द
फ्लावर बेड्स.
यस, एंड देयर आर डेडिकेटेड वॉल्स फॉर इट. तो फिर बहुत सारे लोग उसको एज अ फोटो बूथ या सेल्फी स्पेस के लिए यूज करते हैं. बट आई थिंक वो एक आइडिया ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छा है कि हैविंग अ डेडिकेटेड प्लेस फॉर ग्रीन एरिया एट एवरी फ्लोर. Or even when we see commercial spaces पे ऊपर terrace पे even we have green this green space dedicated जहाँ पे they grow. And even I've heard of a few places जहाँ पे if you want breaks from your office, you go there, you visit, or even you pamper them, you take care of the plants. It's your again एक
that way you
joint
connect.
part हो गया, and you also get the break, and again you're contributing to the nature.
True.
So
all these
a great
ideas,
idea,
all these ideas, tend to get you more exposure to greenery around. Even when you travel to some other countries, we find airports, offices, especially Singapore. I traveled recently. They have been growing plants at each and every place that we cannot even perceive of. And they use grow lights. Of course, they have the tech and the required expertise as well. But it's not rocket science. That is quite possible in Mumbai as well. That you grow plants in corridors on vertical gardening is also one thing that can be
trending, yes.
small planters growing vertically, because we don't have horizontal space,
Right.
but we do have vertical space. We have skyscrapers building up everywhere. So that is a vertical space that we can make use of for gardening as well.
I think your education plays a role.
It does.
प्लांटेशन के बारे में अगर प्रॉपर एजुकेट किया, दैट आई थिंक देयर मस्ट बी कोर्सेज इंक्लूडेड इन द करिकुलम दैट यू नीड टू लर्न अबाउट. बिकॉज अगर अभी इन सब के बारे में नहीं किया, आई थिंक द क्लाइमेट चेंज इज समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू बी अ inseparable part of our life, and it is not something very good to be encouraged, and the kids need to know specifically. The kids today who are very much into technology, they can come up with very good ideas. I think they have so much of brain, but I think अगर ये sector में भी अगर थोड़ा direct किया, the things can become better.
Yes, of course. Even schooling, I think now the new NEP, the education policy, they have made compulsory gardening and farming subject. The subject is made compulsory for certain schools, maybe municipal schools also. But I think all schools should incorporate this as a full-fledged subject. And take it up gradually with the kids. They see, because this is not one workshop affair.
Right.
You sow something, you see it growing, you tend to it, care for it, learn it. Yeah. And in the span of 6-8 months, you see the output, and that way it has to be taken up as a subject and will really benefit the society. I'm sure kids will have a good time away from the screen, and overall they will be more aware for environment, atmospheric changes, and sustainability actions, sustainable actions. They can become more calm and peaceful and patient also towards things. Because these days kids get hyper. They have been exposed to fast video games and fast food, so they require
so that also plants are helpful.
Yeah, that way it does help. Yeah.
We spoke about कि ये करते तो you have a new feeling of excitement and you're complete. So I have heard of a stories जब मैं छोटी थी कि of course those were fictional but not true ones, कि एक ग्रैंडमा थे और उनको आदत थी अपने घर में उनको ऐसे प्लांट्स मेंटेन करने की. शी वाज वेरी ओल्ड, तो शी वाज टॉकिंग टू प्लांट्स. वो जब उनको मेंटेन करते थे तो बात करने की उनको आदत थी. एक बार एक प्लांट की डेथ हो गई, मतलब वो प्लांट सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाया, तो उनकी तबीयत खराब हो गई बिकॉज उनका वो अटैचमेंट था वो प्लांट के साथ, उनका वो पूरे प्रोसेस के साथ था। शी यूज्ड टू टॉक, मतलब एक छोटे बच्चे को कैसे हम बड़ा करते थे उन्होंने प्लांट को।
Right.
आई हर्ड दिस स्टोरी, तो एक ये दिमाग में रहा कि हम अटैच हो जाते हैं प्लांट्स के साथ, तो डज इट अफेक्ट आवर मेंटल हेल्थ एंड इमोशनल वेलबींग? आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
Yeah, well, it does not in a bad way though. You become more aware of the nature cycle, and pampering it helps the plants also.
Yes.
Yeah, and that touch, being a living being, now in spite of buying big cars, expensive bags, or abroad trips or so, but I think you've come across the term diminishing marginal utility.
Yes,
Yeah, in economics, economics student would know. ये सब marginal utility diminish nature to nature में नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम कितनी भी बार सनराइज सनसेट देख सकते हैं, कितनी भी बार बीच पे जाके एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, सेम फीलिंग इट मे बी इट बिकम्स बेटर, एंड then you also remember the past experiences, recollect them and share it with others, and become more related, excited ki wow, I have witnessed a sunset today, although it was not the first time you were doing it, but you get excited. Same as with plants. Even if one plant doesn't survive, you take learning out of it. What mistakes I might have made. Maybe was the plant an annual plant? It had to die.
Right.
And maybe I'll try some other plant and it will definitely grow. That positivity comes. You are more hopeful. You become positive toward things. कि आज मैंने seed डाला है तो tomorrow I will see the germination.
Yes. Grow होगा तो
grow
अच्छा
होगा. You feel I say my plants. Yeah. So maybe even my son says that you never took care of me so much as much you're bothered about the plants, but I'm more of a plant parent now.
So that's an achievement. जब वो grow होते दिखते हैं. We see a little pomegranates and chicus growing यहाँ पे. तो जब हम खुद ग्रो करते तो हम काफ़ी कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं कि अभी हम क्या कंज्यूम करने वाले. तो आपकी कोई लाइफस्टाइल हैबिट या आपकी कोई ईटिंग डाइटरी हैबिट में आपको कोई चेंजेस नजर आ रहे हैं आफ्टर यू हैव स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग दिस?
Yes, definitely. You understand that how much time it takes, how much efforts a plant has to take. Nature, so many resources it withdraws from the nature and grows this. So at least we stop wasting our food any day. And also वो मार्केट से लाए और एक बार लाए और खाए तो that is like if the fruit is tasty, juicy, you enjoy it. But that is for few minutes. But if you're growing it for 2-3 months, you are watching it come and grow and develop into full-fledged fruit. And then once you consume it, the happiness is multifold. Definitely, yes.
अरे हम बहुत कॉन्शियस भी हो जाते कि what we are consuming, because now we know, हमको पता है how it is growing, so we know what right choices we have to make and what we eat. तो again एक अलग फायदा हो गया. I mean we have multiple, but this is again something.
Lot many byproducts that you get here. Here in this space you can see so many herbs also. We have kadwa neem growing, insulin plant growing, there's basil plant here, this is the multivitamin plant growing here, this is bay leaves here, that one is tall boy is moringa. So this is all that we consume it in our day-to-day kitchen items, and then I propagate it and enjoy it. And
it's
so
really fun
we feel blessed when you consume it. मुझे लगता है ये मैंने किया, but we come to know कि nature is uncomparable.
Right. It is. You said about insulin plant. तो ये diabetic patient के लिए कुछ special है?
Yes, it is called insulin. It is the common name of Costus igneus is the botanical name. And the plant is easily available. And better that you grow it organically because you have to consume it end of the day. And it is a insulin substitute. I would not know the dosage and all that only a doctor or Ayurvedic person can suggest. But yes, I have got the feedback from my clients who are diabetic patients that they had to, once they start consuming these leaves, the doctor has said that your diabetes is not increasing at all. And sometimes they also experience that they have to they can reduce their insulin dosage. Yeah, so that definitely helps, I guess.
I think then this is the best way to use it because वो medicine से करना उससे अच्छा
natural way gets better absorbed in the bloodstream.
Right. And I see this chiku. I'm excited to know
Yeah.
कि कितना time में मतलब कितना time ये लेता है
Yeah.
grow करने के लिए.
So this plant is an old plant. I think 10-11 years it's been here.
Oh my god.
And it is a showstopper, I can say.
I was excited to know.
Yeah. And we consume almost 1 to 1.5 dozen chikus each year from this plant.
Okay.
And believe me, Prutha, it is so sweet. Even I can say sugar is less sweet in comparison
Okay.
to this
And this
chiku.
is natural sugar. So
This
much
is
more we are
natural.
relieved कि at
Yes.
least right.
We are consuming natural sugar. And you know what my son says? What my son says is that you get all these plants away and grow only chikus around.
Best. No, but
Yeah.
knowing all these types of इतने सारे variety again उतना एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, नॉलेज चाहिए, उतना एक टाइम एंड पेशेंस चाहिए बिकॉज सबका ग्रो होने का स्पीड डिफरेंट है, सबका द एनवायरनमेंट इन विच अगर आप एक को कुछ 10 days तक अगर हमको कुछ नहीं करें तो मे बी ये प्लांट को उसका रोज पैम्परिंग की रोज
प्लांट पेरेंट को मैं एक बोलना चाहूंगी कि प्लांट कैन अंडरस्टैंड अवर टच more than our speech. It is more sensitive to touch and the surrounding. So even cutting also, it feels that it is being pampered.
Okay.
And it will grow better.
Right.
So each day touch your plant, get that connect, the pampering. You will feel that thing is also pampering
yes,
you,
giving back.
giving it back. So definitely it helps. You spend some good me time with
Right.
nature.
So it's been years you have been attached to so many plants and you know about like what I think पूरा plant का आपको
Yeah, not as much though.
So in this case आपका कोई proud moment being a plant parent or one of the greatest moment of joy that you will always remember?
Yeah, so many moments actually. Every new leaf, every new seed that germinates, every new fruit that shows up is a proud moment. But more than proud, I will say a blessed moment. And I also feel blessed when I can connect and influence others also and motivate them.
Right.
My neighboring kids come to my place and say, "Auntie, we want to see what is growing." We saw it on our mom's mobile, but we want to see it actually.
Right.
Or when people like you come to me, next generation comes to me, and I could touch upon their lives. Those are all the moments I feel I'm really blessed. And I feel purposeful.
Yes.
And definitely I would like others, many more people to experience this and enjoy it.
We spoke about your proud moment. Now we want to know one of the most hilarious moment that might we want to know about it.
That being it is related to gardening. I post I share my plant pictures, and so my vegetable vendor, they come and say कि भाभी आज तो आपको ककड़ी नहीं चाहिए ना, आपके घर पे तो वो say कि टमाटर हो गया, आपको अभी आज तो नहीं लगेगा.
आज तो नहीं. So even they are उनको भी उनके घर का
So
अपडेट
then
पता है.
they come out with things कि हम ये ऐसे उगाते हैं, हमारे गांव में ये होता है and all that. So that when I share with my friends, we all have a hearty laugh.
They are threatened हमारा अभी आज ये यहाँ से नहीं लेने वाले उनके घर पे ये grow होगा.
But jokes apart, it is really rewarding. For your viewers also, I want to say, Prutha, that whoever wants to witness this physically, they want to come and the kids want to come, they are any day welcome to my place.
Sure.
Our heart will be filled with all the warmth and welcome for them. And I have experienced this. People who come down to my place, they say I have been coming for 5-10 minutes. They spend decent half an hour to 1 hour, and we feel grateful.
Amount of plants and
the warmth
एक बार
here is-
आते हो तो आप रुक जाते because you want to know more and more about
The
it.
vibes are positive, definitely.
Right. So thank you so much,
Yeah.
ma'am. But again, ये plants को observe करके इनके बारे में जान के it was lot more. पहले
Thank
जितना
you.
जानते थे उससे तो कहीं ज़्यादा इनके बारे में knowledge gain हुआ है.
Yes. Well, I just want to
Wonderful.
show people that it's
Right.
possible.
Yes, it is. It's definitely, and
Yeah.
I think with the help of podcast, ये episode के through बहुत सारे लोगों को अभी idea आएगा कि we can do it. It's no big rocket science. And अगर आपको कुछ
True.
भी doubt है तो we have Mansi ma'am right here.
Sure. You can connect with me. I am on Instagram.
Okay.
The handle is Plants Decora.
We'll share the link.
Yeah, please share the link in your description.
Sure.
And anybody can feel free to come for gardening requirements.
We are very happy, ma'am. Now we are very proud to say that we have a plants ke doctor
Oh my
as
God.
a guest
Thank
speaker
you.
on our show.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being a part of Dreams of Wings. We are truly very happy to see all the plants. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Prutha.
Thank you.